everyone, I'm Janine, the creative genius behind Handmade by Janine. We design and create bespoke luxury wedding and event stationery, and we're based in KZN. So today what I'm going to show you is 2 thank you gifts for your guests. So this one involves some candy floss. I've got pink, a glass jar with a lid, and some stickers. Basically what you do is take your jar, give it a little clean out, rip open your candy floss. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, we're getting there. Now, I must just tell you that I chose pink, but the good news is that candy floss comes in a lot of different colors. So if pink is not in your color scheme and you've got green or blue, you can get that color candy floss, which is nice. You just take some candy floss, pop it in the jar. As you can see, we don't need too much. Just close your lid, and there you've got a gorgeous little jar full of candy floss. You've got some lovely candy floss in there, and what you'll need to do for your stickers or your labels is just measure here, and then measure your lid, and obviously make sure everything fits. All right, so then you take your stickers. As I say, I've printed these out already, but if you don't have access to printer paper, it's not really a problem. You can just do a lovely design with your logo or your initials or a thank you. You can print it on paper, and you can literally just glue it onto the lid and onto the bottle. So I'm going to take these stickers and just pop it on the lid here, and I'm going to put this one around this side like that. And then I just did one with the couple's initials. And we just pop that around this side. And there you go. So that was pretty simple. This one's also quite fun to do. You just need some Ferrero Rochers or some Nougat. All right, so we just take a lovely Ferrero Rocher out. So basically all you need now is your thank you tag. Here I have 2 different ones. Obviously I've designed them and personalized them for the bride and the groom. You can also buy the ready-made thank you tags. They come in packets. They're available at a lot of the stationery stores and the bridal shops. And then basically all you have to do is take a toothpick, literally a toothpick, glue it to the back like this. Obviously wait for it to dry. And then you take your thank you tag and you just push it into the Ferrero Rocher. And then you literally put that on the table for your guest. It's got all your details on, or a thank you to them for coming. They're gonna whip it out, and that little chocolate is gonna be gone in 3 seconds flat.